Greetings everyone and welcome back. This is Marco and today we are taking a look at the Asahi Pentax-M 200mm f4. Back in 2019, I bought this Asahi Pentax-M 50mm 1.7 and right away I was surprised by how good it was and by the pleasant warm tones it produced. Since then, I've been slowly putting together a set, even branching out to the M series and to the reissued Takumars, but I always find myself coming back to the M series. So, let's take a closer look. The lens is made out of metal, it weighs 400 grams, it is 111 to 136 millimeters long, and it has an external diameter of 63 millimeters with a 52 millimeters front thread. It also has a built-in sun hood. The Aries has 8 blades, the aperture is clicked, and it goes from f4 to f32 with half steps. The focusing ring is rubberized, it turns 230 degrees and minimum focusing distance is around 2 meters. Flange distance for the Pentax K mount is 45.46 millimeters. The wide focusing ring is very smooth, comfortable to grip, and the long throw makes fine adjustments easier. While the lens is fairly light in weight, it is also a bit on the longer side, meaning that on lighter camera bodies it can lead to a front-heavy system. Sharpness is good, yet not amazing wide open, but it doesn't lose much in the corners. By f8 it gets very sharp all over the frame. Chromatic aberration is very much present wide open, along with some blooming, and can appear up to f8 in high contrast areas. Colors, contrast and saturation are what we have come to expect from Asahi Pentax lenses, with their characteristic warm tones. Specular highlights are quite soft, and even with the maximum aperture of f4, backgrounds can be rendered into a blur of colors. Flares and ghosting have not showed up in my time testing the lens. And now, let me show you some samples. Let's be honest, this 200mm is the weakest link in the chain. Build quality is amazing, but images leave a bit to be desired, especially compared to the other lenses in the series. This focal length might be more specialized, but I love shooting with long lenses, and 200mm is also my limit to handheld, so it is a bit of a bummer that the image quality is not on par with my other Asahi Pentax-M lenses. But I feel that I'm being a bit overly critical, a bit too harsh on this lens because of how much I love my Asahi Pentax lenses. So let me know what are your experiences, what are your thoughts on this lens, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!